Speaking practice for beginners, lesson 3. Choosing a job. အလုပ်ရွေးချယ်ခြင်း
I have a problem.
Tell me about it.
I got hired at a restaurant and a clothing store.
What's the problem?
I can only work for one of them.
I think you should work at the restaurant.
Tell me why.
Folding clothes is annoying.
What else is bad about clothing stores?
Customers always mess up the clothes.
Anything else?
You get tips at restaurants.
That's a good point.
If you have any topics that you are interested to learn, please write in the comments below. Thank you. Now you know more. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.